Hello, Boracay! Hello, worldwide! It is Like Marisa of BSFM 91.1 Boracay! Ngayon ay matutunghayan natin dahil meron tayong aabangan na cocktail mix of the night. Kaya antabayanan po natin yan mamaya dito sa Red Coco Bar. And kasama ko kapapala si Arwana!
At syempre ako naman si Arwana na makakasama ngayong gabi ni Laika Barista. Tara!
Tara!
Baby, I'm a man.
Students again, you can only get the water pipe when you're going to learn it.
It's no pretending that we can get to it all night.
Kasama na po natin ang ating bartender na si Mr. Rolly para mag-demonstrate sa atin ng ating cocktail mix of night sa tinatawag na Brain Train. At syempre kasama po natin si Mama. Yes!
Hi, welcome to Coco Bar.
Ay, so ilang taon ka na dito sa Red Coco Bar?
Almost 2 years.
And so far, situation, and what is your most fun cocktail here at the bar?
Here at the bar, we have the Brain Train. That's our house special. It's quite strong. It's a long drink. It has everything on it, almost everything on it. Yeah, one drink will be enough for the night. So, today is Friday and we have it special.
Wow! So ayan mga kapa, so eto na ang pag-mix ng ating
Brain Train.
cocktail.
We do the Brain Train. We mix it with almost everything, but whiskey and brandy. That, vodka and gin. Alright. Tequila and triple side. You got the wine, the dark rum. Mix it with lime. You pour this out. Leave the banana. Don't forget the energy drink. And alright. Okay. Top it with Sprite. Sprite. Give it a little stir. So this is the Brain Train.
Kapa, ito na ang ating cocktail mix of the night, the Brain Train. Kaya po kayong tikman to? Tingnan natin.
Go.
The best! Number one are pag dito. Kaya ayos? Okay. Okay na okay. Kaya try party na tayo. Like a barista. Yay! Tara, sama pa kayo. Party. Okay, guys, let's have the
Mga kapitbahay namin, naka Yes FM. Yes FM. Yes FM. FM.
Yes FM. Yes FM. Yes FM. M.
Yes FM. Yes FM. Yes FM. M.
Yes FM. Yes FM. Yes FM.